What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video. Y'all already know, guys, we getting close. We getting closer and closer and closer and closer. So what I'm gonna need everybody to do before this video must get started is drop down, leave your boy a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, this your chance right now, and leave your boy one of them positive comments. Y'all know positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. But we gonna get off into this video, man. You know, I've been leading y'all along with the giveaway on what I actually want to give away. But today, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all the, you know, I won't hold y'all no longer, guys. You know, I feel as though we done kind of like just as held it off as long as we can, you know. And my reasons from doing that is because, like I said, guys, I just didn't want nobody to just see the giveaway and just to go and purchase the giveaway and not participate. So, you know, I thought I'd make the giveaway a little bit special by not showing actually what we're gonna be doing for the giveaway. For today, man, I'm gonna show y'all. Other than that, I'm gonna talk about some of the things that I've been doing to this truck. I put a big 3 up in this thing, guys. You know, my voltage and stuff was going down. So, you know, I ran my wire set up. Give me a second. Let me flip this camera around for you guys. Yeah, guys, now I done got this camera flipped around. As y'all can see, I done ran ahead and ran my wire for my big 3. I'm gonna clean it up. Still need to get me an extra battery. This just my wires for my battery. But besides that, guys, you know, so we shouldn't have them voltage drop like they was dropping. But like I said, man, you know, I still got a little work to do. I still got to get up in here and snip some of these zip ties and clean everything up a little bit. But you know, most importantly, I just wanted to get the wires ran, so when I come and put my battery in, you know, everything else will just fall in place. But guys, let me get back to the business, man. Let me turn this here camera back around. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, man, as far as the giveaway, like I said, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway based off of the comments, guys. We're gonna do the giveaway based off of the comments, man. And so y'all jump down and leave your boy some comments, you know. And that's just what we gonna do. But like I told y'all, today, man, I'm gonna actually show y'all. And I ain't gonna even hold y'all no more, try to make this video stretch or nothing like that, man. So this what it is, guys. I hope y'all appreciate it. Good luck to everybody who been leaving comments, things of that nature. And that's just what we gonna do. One more second, guys. Alright, guys, as y'all know, this is the part where I kind of cut the last video at. But today, man, I'm gonna give it to y'all. DB Motors. That's what you guys will be winning. It's just an open box. I just opened it for the purpose of showing it to you guys. Here we go. And these are them, the guys. These things are nice. Y'all know I won't recommend nothing I won't put on my truck myself. Well, actually, I was gonna order me another set to put on my truck. But here you go, guys. And I'm gonna keep them in the pack. I won't open them out the pack. That's for whoever the winner would be. But yeah, guys, this is what's for the giveaway. Man, if you guys gonna go ahead and order it and don't participate in the giveaway, can you please just come back, leave your boy a comment, tell me thank you, or whatever. But anyway, guys, you know, I'm a man of my word, and that we in. So besides that, guys, you know, I need everybody, man. Y'all watch the video, guys. y'all watch the videos, man. Y'all share the videos if y'all could, you know. Like I said, man, I'm actually looking for somebody to do these shirts. We're gonna have the positive lives on the front. On the back, gonna be spread positive vibes. So either way you guys look at the shirt, it's gonna be an inspirational. Either way you guys look at the shirt. So, like I said, on the front, it'll be positive lives. And on the back, it will be spread positive vibes, guys. So y'all stay tuned for that merch as well. But other than that, man, you know, like I said, I just jumped on here to just do my little due diligence and make this video. Man, y'all show me some love. Y'all jump down into the comments, leave your boy a comment. Y'all thumbs up. Most important, y'all make sure y'all have them post notifications turned on so y'all can rock out with me every time when I drop this little content, man. And other than that, everybody have a blessed one. Stay positive. Enjoy y'all day. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Stop signing out. Peace.